after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Man-to-man defense na naman. On one fast break layup. It's good.
Short after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Afternoon basketball fans and sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito sa ating gymnasium and syempre sa ating Facebook page. Kami po ang inyong makakasama dito sa semifinals match between the Ateneo Golden Knights and your ACC Green Serpents. Ako po si David Joshua Bernales and kasama ko ngayon si Sir Russell Senyora.
Ayun, magandang hapon basketball fans at sa mga sumusuporta sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights and ACC Green Serpents. We are live at GNN TV 48 NAGA Digital Channel 48.2. Here also live via cable DCTV Channel 10, GNN TV 48 NAGA Facebook page, GNN Sports TV Facebook page, and Bucal Facebook page. And we would like to thank the following sponsors: NAGA College Foundation, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, Pitch Leaders Resort owned and managed by Ms. Flor Azana, Congressman Gabi Bordado, the Congressman of the 3rd District, Camsur VI owned and managed by Ms. K. Floriano, Department of Tourism Region 5. The regional director is Mr. Herbie Aquas. Flowers and Beyond owned and managed by Ms. Mars Aliante. Wow, Worlds of Water, Mangkok's Kinalas owned and managed by Ms. Emeline Salgado. Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. On-style graphic design services and Converge ICT solutions.
And syempre sa ating Nagayon Travel and Tours, NGCP National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, SM City Naga, NCF Driving School, AET Ads, NCF Wings because tigers can have wings, Capazon Peñaflor, NCF Training Pool, and syempre Doña Osang Catering Services.
Ayun.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors.
And maraming salamat sa ating sponsor. Ngayon, Burns,
Yes.
tignan natin ang performances ng dalawang kupunan
Yon.
nung nakaraang quarterfinals.
Yan. So ang quarterfinals ngayon, last week partner, no? Andito sa akin yung stat sheets ng both teams na maglalaro ngayon, yung Golden Knights and yung ating Green Serpents. So ngayon, dito muna tayo sa ating Golden Knights. So Golden Knights last week was dubbed as a very defensive team nung game nila against the Wildcats. Ito ay dahil sa kanilang performance on the defensive side, syempre defensive team, no? Yung number one na factor kung bakit sila naging defensive team is because of the total rebounds that they have. 49 rebounds in total para sa kanilang team. 4 quarters, 49 points. And 24 of those are offensive rebounds.
Ang laki nun.
Second chance efforts, grabe yung offensive rebounds nila. 24 sa offensive and then 25 naman sa defensive rebounds. Plus, ito pa partner, sa steals. 18 steals sila. Syempre, pinapangunahan yan ng ating stat leader ngayong season for sa steals. Syempre, si Jerome Almaro yun, partner, no? And, syempre, players to look out for para sa ating game na to. Syempre, yung best player last week, si Jerome Almario. Second, Simon Aureliano. And third, si Fons Bichara.
Ayun. And, yun, napag-usapan natin ang ATENEO Golden Knights. Ngayon, kausapin naman natin ang ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the ATENEO Golden Knights. Let's call in our courtside reporter. Kas, ano bang update at ano ba ang game plan ng ating Golden Knights?
Hi Joshua and Russell, Magis afternoon Bicolandia. This is your courtside reporter Cassandra Seton bringing you the latest news and updates from the side of the Golden Knights. Today is the semifinals and we will see how equipped and prepared the Golden Knights are for their game against the Green Serpents. The major question is who will make it to the finals. Right now I am with assistant coach of the Golden Knights, Coach Mark. Good afternoon, Coach. What are the preparations of the team for the semifinals?
Good afternoon, Cass. Our preparation has always been the same. Actually, it's more of a mechanical repetition of what we do in defense and offense. What we focused on this week is to mentally prepare the boys. Because what we're doing here, we're groundbreaking things. We watch the games ng ACC. The backbone would be the film analysis team and yung stats team namin. And hopefully, with all of our preparations, we are bound sa finals.
Coach, may I know how confident are you on the probable performance of your team for this game?
Let me just give you a metaphor. Kung papasok ako sa isang iskinita at medyo delikado yung iskinita, I would be glad na kasama ko yung mga bata. Ganun ka-confident na mananalo kami ngayong araw.
Thank you very much, Coach. Make sure to stay updated by tuning in to the official broadcaster of Bucal Season 4, GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Salamat, Kaz, and good luck sa ating Golden Knights. Ayun, partner, no? Grabe yung trust ni Coach Mark sa kanyang team.
Ayun. And yun nga, I would agree doon sa mentally prepared.
Yes.
So, pinagandaan nila mentally kasi, given na. Nakarating na sila ng semifinals, patunayan na nila yung sa physical aspect ng mga bata. Ngayon, iba na to. Kasi knockout game to eh.
Semifinals.
Knockout game to. Ngayon, stick na naman natin yung stats ng ACC nung nakaraang quarterfinals.
So sa stats ng ACC naman, kung sa ATENEO, they were dubbed as a defensive team. Dito naman sa ating Green Serpents, they were dubbed as an offensive team. Ito ay dahil sa steals na nakuha nila nung kanilang game. 25 steals, grabe yun. Napakataas nung steals na nakuha nila nung game na yon. And syempre, that's all because of the best player ng ating game na yon is si Sakulo. And syempre, yung mga iba pang players na need natin na abangan. Syempre, si Acabado, yung dating Golden Knight, and si Nagar.
Ayun. At nahalata ko rin nga nung nakaraang laro nila versus the Annunciation. Ang lakas talaga ng trapping at ng full court press nila. Kaya maraming points coming from turnover ang nagagawa ng ating Green Serpents. Ngayon, nakita na natin yung stats ng ating ACC nung nakaraan. Ngayon, kamustahin natin. Maya-maya, tatawagin natin ang ating kasamahan na nasa kabilang side ng ating court.
Ayan, partner.
So, ang question ngayon dito, Burns, how will the ACC will pass the defensive staff ng ating Golden Knights? And doon naman sa ating Golden Knights. Paano ba malalagpasan naman nila yung defensive ng ating ACC?
Ayan. So isa pa partner na factor kung bakit maganda yung performance nila, it's because of the 2-point field goals ng ACC din.
At ayun, mga kaibigan, tatayo muna lahat for singing of the national anthem. Ayun, kakatapos lang na ating opening ceremony bago simulan ang ating semi-finals.
Ayun. And ayan partner, no, nakikita natin ng mga players from both teams is nag-shake hands na to show sportsmanship dito sa laro. Competitive sila inside the court pero outside of the court, they're still going to be friends.
Ayun, at kaabang-abang at siguradong mainit ang laban ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito given na knockout game.
And ayan partner, no, malapit na magsimula ang ating game na ito. Isang kaabang-abang matchup, semifinals match, and then tomorrow is the other semifinal match from the other bracket.
Ayun, kung sino ang mananalo dito, they will be waiting na kung sino ang mananalo bukas. And yun, kaabang-abang ang finals natin. Hindi pa natin na masabi kung sino ba ang maghaharap sa finals.
Ayan. So,
ayun, kamustahin natin ang ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents. Hi Joyce, sino ba ang kasama, ang posibleng kasama? Ano ba ang update? Ano ba ang adjustment game plan ng ating ACC?
Afternoon, basketball fans. We're here again at ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium for the Bucal Season 4. The crowd is so hyped because we're now playing for the semifinals of Bucal Season 4. And the team that are going to face each other are the AMANDO College Green Serpents and the ATENEO Golden Knights. And we will see who will the team that are going to advance for the finals. I am Joyce, the courtside correspondent of ACC Green Serpents, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayun, maraming salamat Joyce sa iyong update all the way from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents. At ito na nga, Burns, nakita na natin the players at the center of our court.
number
First five
19.
natin sa ating ACC, number 19, Patyam, number 99, Kabahog, number 13, Liantero, number 2, Nagar, and number 11, we have, number 1, Advincula.
Ayun. So let's start our ball game. Panalo ngayon sa ating tip-off ang ating Golden Knights. Valle ngayon, driving, layup, no good para sa kanilang first attempt dito sa ball game na ito. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
Pass to the wingman. Bars for a short jumper, no good. Andun si number 3 full guard to get that rebound. Pass to number 19, Jerome Almario.
Valle ngayon ulit nagdadala, passes to Almario. Best player ng ating Golden Knights, guarded by Advincula. Almost loses the ball. Passes to
Nice
number 75
pass.
layup. That's good. Guarded by the
pass
defense.
nun.
Yes, partner.
Cross court pass to number 75. Number 13
points.
now. Dives, pump fakes, kick out to the wingman. But unfortunately, that's out of bounds. Turnover from the side of the Green Serpents.
Wala pa rin score ang ating Green Serpents dito sa ball game na ito. Valle ngayon, guarded, almost stolen.
At ayun, natawagan ng 8 seconds violation ang ating Golden Knights.
And that's gonna be a turnover para sa ating Golden Knights. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpents. 2-0 pa rin ang ating score.
Shoutout natin ngayon, Burns, ang ating mga nanunood sa ating Facebook pages.
Yeah.
First quarter pa lang, 700 plus na ang ating viewers. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages. Number 2, Fix. Tatawagan yun ng traveling violation. That's Nagar.
It's gonna be a turnover para kay Nagar ng ating Green Serpents. ATENEO ball.
Man to man, full court press ang ating Green Serpents. Number 18.
Aguilar ngayon.
Heavily guarded by number 13.
Layup para kay Aguilar. That's good. Going all the way for that two-pointer. 4-0 run para sa ating Golden Knights.
2-0 na. 2-0 run. Number 13 now. Asking for a screen. Fires for 3. Oh, good.
That's gonna be ACC ball.
Stepping on the line.
Yes, and that's gonna be a 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot para sa ating Green Serpents. Number 1 at Vitcola with that inbound.
Oh,
And
good.
rebounded by Valle. Ngayon going all the way. Passes to Almario.
Nice crossover.
Yan.
Jerome Almario now. Has the ball. Fires for a long three-pointer.
No good. Offensive rebound.
And nakakuha ba ng foul?
Yun, partner, yung sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina, kaya naging defensive team ang Ateneo sa last outing nila. It's because of that one factor na pinakita ni Fulgar, the offensive rebounds na ginagawa ng Golden Knights.
At may bonus pa.
Yes.
They converted it with a point. So now, Fulgar is on the line to make his bonus shot.
Yun.
Tignan natin.
Offensive rebound, layup plus another foul. And a chance to make it a 3-point play dito sa free throw ngayon ni Fulgar. In and out yung kanyang free throw. Di niya nakompleto yung kanyang 3-point play. And ngayon, transition offense ang ating ACC. Put back, no good. Para sa kanila, Almario ngayon nagmamadali. Pasa kay Fulgar. Nice layup again. Back-to-back points para kay Fulgar. Big man ng ating Golden Knights. 8-0 run.
Mga kaibigan, what a defense by the Golden Knights.
Yan. Green Serpents still yet to make a point here. Number 13 to stop the bleeding. No good. Offensive rebound 19. And that's gonna be the first 2 points of the Green Serpents. 6-point lead para sa Ateneo. Valle ngayon. Nabitawan ng bola. That's gonna be a turnover. Stolen by number 99. Layup. No good. Valle with the rebound.
Pass to number 3. Back to number 18, Aguilar.
Aguilar, medyo nabitawan yung bola. Nakuha niya ulit.
Number 18.
Extra pass to Fulgar. Back to back.
What an high pass to Fulgar.
6 points na agad si Fulgar dito pa lang sa early stages ng
Nice
ating ball game. And our steals leader are Mario plus another 2 points para sa ating Golden Knights.
Napaka-consistent pa rin ni
Yes,
Almario. Titignan natin kung madadagdagan pa ba ang stats ni Almario when it comes to his steals.
13 ngayon para sa Green Serpents. Nagdadala ng bola. Passes to Nagar. Fires a quick trigger 3. No good. Offensive rebound
Pero
number
doon si number
13.
13.
Still no good.
No good.
ACC struggling to get the ball inside of the ring. Tries again for the third time. That's in para sa ating Green Serpents.
Medyo maluwag yung naging depensa doon ng Golden Knights.
Yes. Almario ngayon going all the way. Passes to number 75. To number 26. Valle.
For 3. No good. Rebounded by number 18. Pero doon si number 13 to get the steal. Pass
Pass
to number
break ngayon.
2.
Nagar.
Transition play. No good. Rebounded by number 26. At tatawagan ng foul si number 13.
And ayun nga partner, it's very evident na nahihirapan ang ating Green Serpents na may pasok ang bola dito sa ring. Pero ngayon,
Aureliano and Magno will enter
Yun.
the court and meron din substitution sa ating
Golden
ACC.
Knights.
Papasok na si Acabado and si Sakulo.
Simon Aureliano and
si
Jerome
number-
Almario.
Si number 24 din.
Two players to look out for dito sa ball game. Pero Almario with that turnover.
Miscommunication doon sa ating Golden Knights. Number 1 now, fires for a long jumper. No good, rebounded by number 3. Number 3, heavily guarded by the Green Serpents.
Miscommunication na naman on the side of the Golden Knights. Aureliano didn't get that pass from full guard. Now, that's gonna cost them. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
Turnover from the Golden Knights.
5 minutes, 28 seconds remaining sa ating ball game partner.
12 against 4.
Lamang pa rin ang Ateneo dito sa ball game na to.
8-point lead. Number 7 now. Fix.
Sakulo, that's gonna be a traveling violation. And the Sakulo partner, sa pagkakaalala ko, siya yung best player ng quarterfinals matchup nila between the Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe yung 3-point percentage na.
Yes. Almario ngayon, showing his handles, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. Foul kay number 7, Sakulo, sa ating Green Serpents.
At meron ng 3 team fouls ang ating ACC. 2 to go. At nasa penalty na ang ating Golden Knights.
Aureliano ngayon will inbound the ball. Ganap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Fulgar. Stolen by Acabado. Ngayon, 2 on 3 fast break.
24 Euro step. What a play with number 24.
Yun.
Napakagat niya si Joma Magno.
That's gonna be a traveling violation. Successful double team by the Green Serpents. Bola ngayon nila. Beautiful defense shown by the Green Serpents ngayon. Ayan sa ating instant replay, makikita natin napaka-successful ng double team ni number 24 ng ating Green Serpents.
Shoutout sa'yo, Tita Sonia, Wen Pelomenio, Mark De La Peña, maraming salamat sa panunood, at kay Agatha na nanonood rin. Maraming salamat po.
Acabado ngayon, sets up a 3, fires, in and out. Bon ngayon, nagmamadali, fast break, passes to Madridano. Bitawan medyo yung bola, hindi niya natansya yung pasa ni Aureliano. And that's gonna be another turnover para sa Golden Knights.
Double dribble, tawag doon, in number 7. Both possession now of the Green Serpents. Number 24 digs out to the wingman. Number 7, airball. At tatawagan ng foul si number 55.
Yun. 3 shots para kay Sakulo ngayon.
Ayun.
And isang partner, sa mga factors na nakakaano sa Golden Knights, nakaka-apekto sa kanilang game ngayon is yung turnovers nila, last outing nila. Medyo hindi naman marami yung turnovers nila kaysa sa mga ibang teams na nagsastruggle din sa turnover. Pero 26 ang turnovers nila last outing nila. And they still need to change that, yung turnovers nila. Kasi mga unforced errors yun.
Kailangan yun i-prevent ng ating Golden Knights.
Ayan. Last shot na ngayon ni Sakulo. Lamang pa rin ang ating Golden Knights, 12-7. Unti-unti partner, humahabol rin naman ang ating Green Serpents.
Masyado pang maaga.
Yes. Third shot para kay Sakulo is good.
Ball possession now of the Golden Knights. Number 55. Love pass to number 19. Almario, heavily guarded by number 23, at tatawagan ng foul si Acabado.
Yun.
That's
Former Golden Knight guarding a Golden Knight.
That's a former Golden Knight. Hindi yung nagkakamali after his junior years. Pumasok na siya ng Golden Knights ng college.
14 fouls na ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Aureliano fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Aureliano layup is good. What a beautiful transition of offense para sa Golden Knights ngayon. Sakolo to number 1.
Pass to number 24. Number 24 fakes. Crosses over. Pass to number 23. Number 23 drives.
Miscommunication again from the side of the Green Serpents. That's gonna be a turnover. Maganda sana nung pasa from the inside man ni Acabado. Di lang niya natansya yung salo niya ng bola. Aureliano ngayon to Magno. Layup. That's good for Magno ng ating Golden Knights. And 16-8 ang ating score. 3 minutes, 35 seconds crossover. Medyo nabitawan ng ni number 24 pero nakuha ni number 1 ngayon kay Acabado to number 19. Fadeaway jumper. That's gonna be an air ball.
Bola nata ang ating Golden Knights. Number 55. Mon Aureliano. Diretso. At tatawagan ng foul and he will step on the line to make his bonus shots.
Ayun. Penalty na ang ating Green Serpents. 2 shots ngayon para kay Mon Aureliano.
Ayun. Kitang-kita sa ating instant replay. Hatid sa inyo ng GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we have a timeout called by the ACC Green Serpents. You only have 3 minutes and 21 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 16-8, 8-point lead para sa ating Golden Knights. Andito po kami, punong-puno ang ating Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes him a foul. What a save!
Man-to-man defense na naman. On one fast break layup. It's good.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes him a foul. What a save!
We are back again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 semifinals match between the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights. And ayan, coming out of this time, mag-shoot ng free throws ngayon si Mon Aureliano. His first shot, no good. And partner, still in the lead pa rin ng ating Golden Knights.
Ayun. Sino nga mananalo dito? Abante sa ating season Bucal Season 4 Finals.
Yun, the second shot ni Aureliano is good.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Acabado na. Pass to number 15. Ano kaya yung adjustments na gagawin? Maya-maya, malalaman natin yan. At ayun na nga yung sinasabi ko. Alamin natin kung ano ba yung adjustments na ginawa ng ating Green Serpents. Kasama natin ngayon ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Joyce! Kamusta? Ano ba napag-usapan during the timeout?
Take the huddle, Coach George said to the team that they should always be on guard and strengthen their defense. Sabi pa ni Coach, stick to the original game plan, but more energy inside the hard courts. That's the latest update from this side. Back to the panel.
And maraming salamat Joyce for your report on the side of our Green Serpents. So ayun, partner instruction ni Coach, strengthen their defense dito sa ball game na ito. Offensive team sila nung kanilang last outing, pero ngayon pinofocus ni Coach versus is their defense ngayon. Need nila i-prioritize yun. Nakikita natin ang galing mag-penetrate ng ating Golden Knights from the paint ngayong ball game na ito.
At yun, medyo nalata ko rin, no? Nakakalagpas talaga ang Golden Knights sa full court man-to-man press na ginagawa ng ating Green Serpents.
Mabilis tumakbo ang ating mga Golden Knights ngayon.
Fast-paced ang ating Golden Knights ngayon. Number 24 now against number 28.
Napakaganda ng fadeaway jumper na yan coming for number 24 ng ating Green Serpents.
Man-to-man ng ating Green Serpents para sa kanilang depensa. Former teammates ngayon ang magkabantayan.
Magno to Bichara.
Pass to the big man.
Posting up his defender, Magno. What a beautiful hook shot coming in from the big man of the Golden Knights.
Ito yung napansin ko kay Bichara. Ito sa mga strengths niya. Pag nakapasahan siya sa loob ng paint, no?
Grabe partner sa ilalim na si Bichara. Simula pa noon, magaling na talaga sa ilalim si Fons.
Another miscommunication. At kanina lang, nakita natin yung short jumper niya Kabado. Ito rin. Kailangan din itong bantayan at abangan ng Golden Knights.
Lamang ngayon partner. Lamang ngayon ng ating Golden Knights, pero hindi naman masyadong mataas pa yung kanilang lead ngayon. Nakakahabol pa rin naman ang ating Green Serpents, pero ayun, may nakitang foul ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 31.
We only have 1 minute and 34 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 19 against 12.
Lalabas muna ngayon partner si Almario, papasok ngayon si Monay para sa ating Golden Knights, pero 2 shots ngayon para kay number 24 ng ating Green Serpents. And syempre shoutout para sa akin kaibigan si Reg Canlas. Ayun, shoutout sa iyo.
Yan, sabi ni Angel Buela, ACC, go ACC. Sabi ni Erica Rebollar, go Sed.
And shoutout din kay Ian Munoz and Neil Buenaventura. Yan, thank you for watching and supporting Bucal Season 4. Pero yan, going back to the game, Mon Aureliano nagmamadali.
Nice,
may cross ang bola. Mon ngayon.
10 seconds to shoot. Nice!
Ganda ng pasa.
Napakagandang pick and roll play on.
2 shots para kay Madridano. Beautiful pass coming in from Aureliano, pero hindi niya na-convert yung assist. Pero 2 shots ngayon para kay Madridano ng Golden Knights.
Grabe, gumawa ng space. Simon Aureliano. Napakagat niya yung dalawang defender nun. Belong-belo doon si number 7 ng ating Golden Knights, Madridano. Last shot for Madridano. Last shot is good. We have substitutions here.
Pasok ngayon si Nagar. Lalabas si Acabado for the Green Serpents.
1 minute and 10 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Number 24, De Derecho, uses the glass and is good for that layup drive.
Pakaganda ng layup na yun, partner. Nag-slow motion pa siya dun sa air. And ang ganda nung
fake
shoot niya dun.
Nice pass to the big man.
Ooh.
Extra pass to number 7. What a play!
Napakaganda ng pasa doon ni Bichara. Napaka-unselfish ng play ngayon na ginagawa ng ating Golden Knights. Bichara, madali niya na lang ipapasok yung bola na yun, pero yung unselfish play na doon pasa kay Madridano. So that secured high percentage shot for the Golden Knights. Pero ayun, Sakulo with that mid-range fadeaway is good.
You only have 22 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Number 55 now, heavily guarded by 2 Green Serpents.
Successful double team
Tatlo na! Ayun na. Grabe yun.
And
Tatlo na nag-aagaw. Ang uagaw ng bola kay Mon Aureliano. At yun.
and that's gonna be something na i-review siguro ng ating mga referee.
I'm sure i-review yan ng ating referee.
Medyo grabe yung scuffle na nangyari doon sa side ng ating Golden Knights and Green Serpents nung nag-double team. Pero napakaganda ng double team na pinakita ng
Yes.
Green Serpents. Kaso nga lang, nakuha ulit ni Aureliano and doon na nagsimula na tumumba yung mga players.
Oo. Tatlo yun. Wow.
I-review na ng ating mga referees yung ating sequence na nangyari ngayon. And
ayun, so i-greet natin ngayon ang ating live audience dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. Punong-puno
yan.
ang gymnasium. Ayun na,
Full capacity na naman, partner. Dito
Sigurado.
sa ating gymnasium. And syempre, shoutout natin sila sa mga nanonood, mga nagsusuporta sa kanilang mga team, sa ating Green Serpents, and syempre dito sa Golden Knights.
Alright. And sa atin rin online viewers, 1K viewers tayo sa ating Facebook pages. Maraming salamat po. Once again, please don't forget to like and share our Facebook pages.
Pinapantayan, partner, ng semifinals match ngayon ng Golden Knights tas ACC Green Serpents, yung ating day 1 live viewers noon na
Ay, oo.
as I recall, nagwa 1,800 na yung viewers noon eh.
Yung opening
Umabot
games
pa nga
natin.
ng 2K viewers yun. Grabe. And,
How much more ngayong semifinals at kilala na ng ating viewers ang dalawang kupunan na ito.
Aabangan natin, partner. Syempre,
Yes.
yung championship match.
Ayun.
Ngayong Bucal Season 4, dun talaga siguro ako, feeling ko, marami ang manunood dun.
And pasalamatan din natin ang mga supporters, no, na dumayo pa mula Tabaco just to support the ACC Green Serpents. Shoutout
Syempre,
sa
yung mga
ating-
family members ng mga players.
yung school, of
Oh.
course, the community of the AMANDO Cope College.
Shoutout po sa inyo, Amando Cope College community. And thank you sa pagsuporta sa inyong team. And syempre naman sa Bucal Season 4.
And of course, ang yung home court naman ng ating Golden Knights, no? Tingnan rin natin if they materialize the home court advantage na meron ng Golden Knights ngayon.
Ayan, partner, no? Nakikita natin, punong-puno ang ating gymnasium dito, ang ating live audience. Nakikita natin sa screen, tingnan mo.
Wala
So
na
many
akong
happy faces.
Wala na
dito.
akong makitang space na pwede pang mapasukan.
Wala nang makakasingit siguro dito, partner, no? And I think sinarado na nga ng ating mga logistics committee yung gate. Kasi full
Puno na,
capacity na,
oo.
partner. Napakadelikado na yan. Kung pipilitin pa na magsiksikan yung mga tao.
And of course, kailangan din natin bantayan. Of course, we are still on the pandemic. no?
Yan. Siyempre, health and safety protocol pa rin
Yes.
naman.
At yan, meron na natin
Okay.
ang judgment ng ating officials.
Kung ano nga ba talaga ang itatawag nila doon na sa sequence na nangyari kanina. And ayan, kinakausap na ng isa sa ating mga referee yung mga coaches. And ayan. Okay. That's gonna be a traveling violation ni Aureliano. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Wala naman masyadong nangyaring initan doon sa scuffle. Sadyang marami lang talaga yung mga players.
Yung involved doon sa
natumba. Oo.
scaffold na yun. We only have 8 seconds. Makakascore pa kaya ang ating ACC Green Serpents? 24 now. Kicks out to number 2 for a corner 3 and it's good for a 3-pointer. Nagar.
Clutch 3 by Nagar. Mga player talaga na kailangan mong abangan dito sa ating game is performing really well. Nagar. Ang ating final score 23-21. 2-point lead lang ang ating Golden Knights for the end of our first quarter.
From 8 to nothing run ngayon, dalawa na lang ang hahabulin ng ating Green Serpents. Ayun na nga, wag kayong alis. Live po kami dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium and you're still watching on Ginan Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for the second quarter.
Short stopper using the clock. 2 minutes.
man-to-man defense na naman. Paging 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. And we are back again live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 semifinals match between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents. Partner, 2-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. 2 points lang. One possession ball lang ang ating game na to.
Kababang tong second quarter kasi nakita na nila ano bang klaseng depensa ang meron sa dalawang team, ano bang klaseng opensa. So ngayon, abang-abang tong second quarter kung paano mag-a-adjust ang dalawang teams na to.
Ball possession ng ating Green Serpents. Sakulo fires a 3. No good. Rebound ni Aureliano. Bitawan. Double team. Successful para sa Green Serpents. Sakulo. Layup to tie the game. That's gonna be good. Pero ayun, turnover para kay Almario on that inbound play. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpents. Deadlock na tayo at 23 to start this second quarter. Beautiful layup from Sakulo. And then a turnover from Almario. Number 0 passes to Sakulo ngayon. Mid-range jumper.
No good.
Still ACC ball.
Tumama sa likod ni Alfonso. The first tie ball game natin ngayon, mga kaibigan. Pag naipasok to ng Green Serpents, ito yung una nilang lead sa Golden Knights.
Number 0. Very difficult shot, pero naipasok pa niya yun to give the ACC Green Serpents their first lead. And another turnover from Almario. Sakulo ngayon, may dala ng bola. Passes to number 24. Thought about that three-pointer. Guarded by Aguilar. Number 24 ngayon penetrates. No good sa kanyang layup. Rebound ni Bichara. Intercepted ni Sakulo. Pero that's still gonna be ACC ball. I don't know kung ano yung nakita ng ating referee, pero bola ng ating Green Serpents ngayon.
Parang third turnover na yun.
Yeah.
Well, Mario. Less than a minute pa lang yun.
Crowd going wild doon sa call ng ating referee, pero ayan, Sakulo to inbound the ball. Nagar with to complete the inbound, heavily guarded by Magno.
Nagar for 3. In and out. No good. Kando si number 0 to get that rebound. Jump ball.
Bola ngayon ng Golden Knights.
Na ating Golden Knights. Medyo nag-struggle ang ating Golden Knights sa first minute ng ating second quarter.
Medyo nag-cool down sila ngayon, partner, sa pag-end ng ating first quarter and syempre dito sa early second quarter. Pero ayan, Bichara, mid-range jumper, in and out para sa kanila.
Rebounded by the Green Serpents. Bola na ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Number 7. Sakulo pass to number 0. Galvez. Nagar.
That's a shoot. Lagar with the layup, no good. Pulgar to Aguilar, and that's still gonna be Ateneo ball.
Nice effort doon para kay Aguilar.
2-point lead ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Man-to-man, full court press ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Pero that's still gonna be Ateneo ball.
Ayun na nga, yung sinasabi ko. Nangyayari na yung ginawa nila sa pronunciation. Halos hindi na makalagpas sa front court ang ating Golden Knights ngayon.
Dito nila nakuha yung mga steals nila from the previous game. Yung double team nila. Then, ayun, partner, steal again. Nagar with that 2-pointer layup. It's good. 4-point lead na ngayon ang ating Green Serpents. Ayan, man-to-man, full court, double team, and again, a steal
turnover sa ating Golden Knights.
6-0 run para sa ating ACC.
At ayun na nga, napatawag ng timeout ang ating Golden Knights. We only have 7 minutes and 59 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 29-23.
Yun.
Lamang na ngayon na ating Green Serpents. Wag na wag po kayong aalis. Magbabalik po kami. At mamaya, alamin natin kung ano ba ang maging adjustment ng ating Golden Knights. We're live here on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Yan na, sinasabi.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Man-to-man defense na naman.
On one fast break layup. It's good.
We are back again live dito sa ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium kung saan tumawag ng timeout si Coach Nuki para sa ating Golden Knights. And medyo nagsastruggle sila partner dito sa early second quarter ng ating ball game na to. Ayan, Fulgar ngayon to complete that inbound. Valle to stop the bleeding layup, no good. Offensive rebound ngayon, Almario.
Almario now asking for a screen. Kicks out to number 55. Fires for
Aureliano.
3. No good. Pero andun si
Offensive
Fulgar.
rebound.
Almario 4-3. Wala pa rin. Pero andun si number 75.
And partner, let us call on our courtside reporter from the side of the Golden Knights kung ano ba ang naging changes ni Coach Nuki sa pagtawag niya ng timeout. Tawagin natin si Kaz. Hi Kaz!
Hi Joshua and Russell, the Golden Knights are truly giving us an incredible start. The team are already exhibiting cooperative effort towards achieving their goal of winning this match. During the timeout, Coach Nuki reminds the team to avoid overthinking and to play the game carefully but critically. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to you, Joshua and Russell.
Carefully and critically, partner. Yan, yung sabi ni Coach Nuki sa kanyang kupunan. Kailangan lang nila mag-relax and pag-isipan kung ano yung mga moves na kailangan nilang gawin. Given the fact that full court man-to-man defense ang pinapakita ng ating Green Serpents. Then
Ayun.
after nun, double team. So kailangan nilang pag-isipan kung ano yung mga next moves nila dito.
Kailangan ngayon yun ng ating Golden Knights. Kaya talaga nila mag-focus sa kanila on how they will pass.
Yes.
This kind of defense sa pinapakita ng ating Green Serpents.
Partner, they need to relax.
Kanina nga lang.
There's still plenty of time para makapaghabol dito. They don't need to, hindi nila kailangan magmadali.
Yes. Masyado pang maaga.
Oh.
Kanina lang nakakita tayo ng 3-pointer from Mon Aureliano.
Cuts the lead by the Green Serpents to 3. And Valle ngayon to Almario. Full court press pa rin ang ating Green Serpents. And there, a foul was called by our referee. Foul called on number 13 ng Green Serpents.
We only have 6 minutes and 31 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 3-point lead from the Green Serpents. 1.2 1.2k na ang ating viewers and friends sa ating Facebook pages. Inbound play, Almario uses the glass, no good.
Put back, no good.
Wala pa rin. At nakuha pa rin ni Jerome Almario.
A beautiful offensive rebound by Almario. Third chance na yun, partner. And naipasok na ni Almario. Nagar, quick 3, no good. Offensive rebound, number 15, plus a foul. Doesn't go in yung kanyang layup. 2 shots ngayon para kay number 15. Foul called on number 75.
Ng miscommunication doon ng Golden Knights. Kitang-kita natin sa replay. Medyo bola na sana nila yon. Pero hindi din maiwasan sa ating ball game ang miscommunication. Number 15 now on the line to make his bonus shots.
1 point lead lang ang hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Let's see kung may extend nila yung lead nilang ito. 15. First shot is good. That extends their lead to 2 points. Another one to make it 3.
Jumpers ready.
And a shout out kay Mau Aquino na nanonood dito sa ating live audience. Shout out sa'yo.
Ayun na nga.
3-point lead, partner, ang hawak ngayon ng ating Green Serpents with their man-to-man defense. Almario with the ball, guarded by number 13. Pinapahirapan ng Ateneo na maitawid ang bola sa half court. Pero ayun, Almario, naitawid niya ng maayos. Mon Aureliano tries a 3. Same result as before. Back-to-back threes para kay Aureliano.
Ayun, second quarter.
That's gonna tie this ball game. Lagar ngayon, passes to the outside man. Number 15 penetrates, layup. It's good, plus a foul and a chance to make it a 3-point play. Foul kay Aureliano dito sa sequence of play na to. Nakikita natin sa ating instant replay. Number 15 penetrates.
15.
Tumapik si Aureliano.
Reaching foul doon para kay caught in the act of shooting. So number 15 is on the line. Once again. Once again. To step on the line to make his bonus shots.
That's good para kay number 15.
Ayun, he completes
3-point
the
lead na naman.
Yeah, 3-point lead na naman.
Ayan. Man-to-man defense pa rin ang pinapakita ng ating ang ating Green Serpents. Aureliano ngayon. Naitawid ang bola sa half court. Heavily guarded by Nagar. Humingi ng screen si Aureliano. Pero pumalit si number 15 to defend him. Passes to Almario. Fires a 3. That's good! Para sa Golden Knights. Back-to-back threes for the Golden Knights.
Itong dalawang to.
Tie game na naman, partner.
Si Aureliano at saka si Jerome. Kailangan niya itong bantayan sa mga 3-pointers ng dalawang to.
Valle guarding Sakulo.
Double team.
Sakulo, layup, blocked by Pulgar. Pasa ngayon kay Aureliano. That's gonna be stepping in the line. Turnover para sa ating Golden Knights. That was a very unfortunate unforced error on the side ng ating Golden Knights.
4 minutes and 50 seconds left. Another tie ball game para sa hapong ito, mga kaibigan. 34 all. Number 13, ang Jerome Almario. At ayun, tawagin natin ang ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the Green Serpents. Joyce, ano ba, kumusta? Ano ang update dyan sa ating Green Serpents?
Serpents will stick to their original game plan, and no matter what happens, they're going to play what kind of play they are showing in their past game. They're still full of dedication to win this game, and actually, coach of the Green Serpents commended the team for the good performance of the boys. That's the latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Joyce, at napakagandang pag-boost ng confidence ng mga players nun ni Coach George. He commended his players sa napakagandang performance during the first and second quarter.
Stick sa dating game plan pa rin sila ni Coach Verses, which is heavy defense para sa kanyang koponan. And proven effective dito sa ball game na to since this is a tie ball game. Kanina lamang ang ating Golden Knights, pero ngayon nakakapaghabol na. And lumalamang na nga. And lumamang na naman ulit ang ating Green Serpents with that 2-pointer by number 0.
Nice layup drive naman by number 0.
Valle. Bola pa rin ngayon ang ating Golden Knights.
4 minutes, 26 seconds left. Almario now will inbound the ball. As number 3. Number 3.
That's gonna be a foul call on number 24.
Nasa
Pushing foul
para
kay number 24
may
dito.
2 team fouls para sa ating dalawang kupunan.
2-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Almario to inbound the ball. Pero ayun, partner, nakikita mo. Man-to-man defense pa rin para sa side ng ating Green Serpents. Aureliano guarded by Nagar ngayon. Open.
Almario
Fires.
open.
No good
Good.
para sa open
No,
3. Pero
number
offensive
26.
rebound.
Wala pa rin. Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Sakulo now will cross going to the front court. Number 7. Heavily guarded by number 26. Pass to number 24 for 3. And it's good. Oh, a 3-pointer.
Nothing but the net for the Green Serpents. Valle. Going all the way to Valle doon, partner. Nagmamadali. And napaka-high percentage ng layup niya noon. Stop the bleeding para sa kanyang kupunan. 3-point lead pa rin hawak ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
Number 0.
Bitawan yung bola. Sakulo. Layup. That's good. Plus a foul. And a chance for a 3-point play para kay Sakulo. Foul kay Jerome Almario.
We only have 3 minutes and 32 seconds left. Yun. 5-point lead para sa ating Green Serpents.
Kung sa first quarter, partner, ang lumalamang kanina is the Golden Knights. And ngayon naman, ang ating Green Serpents ang lumalamang ngayon. 5-point lead, hawak nila. Let's make it 6. Sabi ni Sakulo. And that's gonna be a substitution. Lalabas muna ngayon si Sakulo. Magpapahinga. Papasok ngayon si number 99. Full court man-to-man defense pa rin. Pinapakita ng ating Green Serpents and Almario.
Almario now. Stop and pumps. Oh, good.
Rebound para kay Nagar. Siya ngayon nagdadala ng bola para sa kanyang kupunan. Guarded by Almario.
Pass to number 0. Number 15 now. Number 24. Fix. Heavily guarded by number 55.
That's gonna be a foul. And may nakita tayo, partner, si Sakulo pumasok sa court but he's on the bench. So ngayon galit na galit si Coach Nuki dito sa ating kabilang team.
Ayun.
And I think Coach Nuki is gonna use his challenge and magre-review ang ating mga referees kung ano ba talaga nangyari dun sa sequence na yun.
Meron tayong 2 minutes and 59 seconds left. Ayun, maya-maya, hintayin natin ang ating judgment ng ating table officials. Ngayon, mga kaibigan, huwag po kayong haalis. We will be having a short commercial break.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Super Duper's in a foul.
man-to-man defense na naman. ATENEO, a 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good.
Showstopper using the clock. 2 minutes. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
At ayun, welcome back mga kaibigan, nagbabalik po kami. At yung medyo natagalan, kailangan masyadong busisiin yung ating replay at review. At meron na nga tayong judgment para sa ating, galing sa ating referees.
Ayun, so partner, ordinary foul para kay Aureliano, number 55. That's gonna be his 4th personal foul, and warning for technical ulit para kay Aureliano for unsportsmanlike behavior. And then si Sakulo, number 7 ng ACC Green Serpents, out of the playing court for entering the hard court kanina. And I think there's a technical foul,
Yes, technical
then
foul ang
para sa
tatawag
coach ng ating Green Serpents. So ayun, 2 shots para sa Ateneo. And yun yung naging verdict ng ating referees kanina sa ating replay. Kaya medyo natagalan yung ating commercial break. And ayun, nakikita natin partner, si Sakulo is going out dito sa ating playing court. And si Sir Eman Faraon nagtatawag ng isang kasama ng ating Green Serpents para i-assist si Sakulo. Isa sa mga best players to ng ating Green Serpents.
Yes.
And unfortunately,
Yun lang.
yun nga, medyo uminit siguro yung ulo ni Sakulo and pumasok siya sa court, which is mali
Yes.
sa side nila. Napaka unsportsmanlike behavior nun. Pero ayun,
He will be out for the rest of
the ball game.
the ball game.
Pero ngayon, partner, going back sa ating ball game, possession ngayon ng Green Serpents. And lamang pa rin naman ang ating Green Serpents. Pero ayun, rebound ng ating Golden Knights. Almario to Valle.
26, Valle.
That's good. 2-pointer para kay Valle. 2 points na lang lamang ng ating Green Serpents. 2 minutes, 35 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. Pero ayun, natawagan ng foul partner si Jerome Almario.
And that's his second
Penalty na.
penalty na ang ating Green Serpents. Hindi, napakalaga na alam natin, no, na mainit, grabe yung tensyon sa loob ng playing court, pero kailangan talaga yung control. Kasi sayang yung opportunity.
First shot is good para kay number 24. Bona obra ang ating Green Serpents.
3-point lead para sa ating Green Serpents.
Second shot, no good, pero tumawag ng
That's a free throw violation. No?
bola ngayon ng ating Golden Knights.
Pass to number 3, Volgar.
Number 18
Number 18 now. Finding his teammate. Pass
Almario.
to Almario. Long 3-pointer. That's an air ball. Ball possession now of the Green Serpents. Number 2, Nagar. Fires for 3.
No good. Rebound ngayon ni Fulgar. Valle with the ball. Guarded by number 99. Ayan, naghahanap ng mapapasahan si Valle. Finds Almario. Heavily guarded by his defender. Almario ngayon making a play para sa kanyang team. Passes to the big man Bichara. Post up. Spins. Hook shot is good. What a beautiful sequence by Bichara.
What a footwork.
Yes. Ganda ng footwork.
Ni Bichara.
1 point lead. Hawak ng Green Serpents ngayon. Nagar with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Nagar penetrates. Floater. In and out. Rebound by Bechara. Stolen by number 99. Stolen again by Steals leader Almario. Layup.
Diretso. And it's good. With that layup drive. We only have 1 minute and 13 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 1 point lead para sa ating Golden Knights.
And ayan, partner, kaya si Almario ang ating steals leader sa regular season because of that block by Bechara. No para sa ating Golden Knights.
Teritoryo ko to.
A beautiful block by Bechara.
May Bechara niya.
And a timeout called by the Golden Knights. Ang ating score 44-43 lamang ang ating Golden Knights. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be back for a short commercial break.
Short jumper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Man-to-man defense na naman. On one fast break layup. It's good.
Short jumper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Back here live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the semifinals ng ating Bucal Season 4 matchup between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents.
Yun, partner, no? Pumasok na sa ating hardcourt si Acabado. And ayun, Acabado, what a beautiful pass at number 15 to
Napakaganda.
open up that timeout.
Inbound play na yun na pinakita ng Green
Ganda.
Serpents.
And bola pa rin yun ng ating Golden Knights.
1 point lead. The Green Serpents with
Range favor.
seconds to play. Number 31 na, has the ball.
Agravante almost turning the ball over. Valle ngayon. What a beautiful contortion of his body. Pero yun, Agravante
Nice
with that
defensive rebound from
two-pointer.
number 31, Agravante. At na-convert pa sa point no?
Yes. Number 24.
Number 24, so good.
Polcar to Valle.
You only have 16 seconds left.
Bichara passes to the outside man.
For three.
Three-pointer. No
Ah.
good.
Number 2.
Nagar ngayon.
Agar de derecho.
Change favor ulit para sa ating Green Serpents. And that's gonna be it para sa ating first half. Ang ating final score, 47-46 dito sa first half lamang. Lang isang puntos ang ating ACC Green Serpents.
Tight ball game para sa ating semifinals. Yun nga, ito na.
Huwag kayong alis mga kaibigan, magbabalik po kami para sa ating halftime analysis. This is Bucal, Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Showstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Good day, everyone. I am Joyce Bernadette Ann Pampalan, 20 years old, BSTM student of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Naga City Campus, and one of your courtside reporters, this Bucal, Season 4. During my elementary days, I am an arnis player and I compete up until the palarong panlalawigan, both combative and likhang anyo, single or double baston. This Bucal Season 4, please do expect me to give my very best to deliver to you all the happenings inside the game court.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? 11 up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, sa Albay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV 48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
sama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNN TV 48 NAGA.
Hi everyone, I am Cassandra A. Seton, taking up secondary education specializing in English at ATENEO NAGA University, and I am one of the courtside reporters this Bucal Season 4. Some of my hobbies are first playing volleyball. I just do it during my free time. I'm also a reading advocate. I love reading. And I am also into hostings and likewise, of course, public speaking. It's such an honor for me to be part of Bucal Season 4, knowing that this is my very first time being a courtside reporter. It would be a good opportunity for me to grow and also to be more knowledgeable and involved when it comes to sports. Expect me to be more dedicated in sharing the stories of each player as well as sharing what is happening in the team during their game.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV 48 NAGA digital na. Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Sungunyan niya ako digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow! Sungunyan hihilangan tapo ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infelis. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the Metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons until the end of July at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
man-to-man defense na naman. Now, a 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. And we are back again live here at ATENEO de NAGA University for your Bucal Season 4. And now, partner, we have our stats sa ating first half na itong ball game na ito. Paki-analyze, partner.
Ayun, nag-start tayo ng Ateneo 8-0 run pero nagtapos ang first half. Lamang ng isa ang ating Green Serpents.
Yes.
Ano ba ang mga dahilan? Hindi nagkakalayo kasi nga 1 point lead lang.
Oh.
Pero yung 2-point field goals ng ating Golden Knights 66%. Making 16 out of 24.
Taas.
Sa atin namang ACC Green Serpents, yun lang. 16 out of 34 din.
Yeah.
So, mas maraming attempt pero konti lang yung mid. Pero tingin ko lang kung bakit nakalamang ang Green Serpents because of their 7 steals and 12 turnovers lang. Ang nagawa ng Golden Knights, 22 turnovers. At nangyari yun during the second quarter. And patapos ng ating first quarter. At yung bench points ng ating Green Serpents, 36 big points yun.
Oo. Napakaganda nung I think si Acabado kasi is one of a bench player, 6-man. Ang ating Green Serpents. And maganda yung contributions na lalo na si I think si number 15 is also from the bench.
Yes. Pero yung rebounding talaga ng Golden Knights, they have 8 offensive rebounds. A total of 24 rebounds, no? Yun talaga yung pinaka-strength ng ating Golden Knights.
Taas ng rebounds sila. And pero partner, 22 turnovers para sa Golden Knights first half.
Oo, medyo malaki yun.
Oo. And napakapangit. Ang rami nilang unforced errors dun sa plays na yun. So because dun sa defensive plays na pinakita ng ACC.
Ayun na nga, back to the ball game tayo. At ayun na nga, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the side of the Golden Knights. Hi guys, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Hi Joshua and Russell. Right now I am with one of the supporters of the Golden Knights. RJ, how does it feel that the team made it to the semifinals?
Siyempre masaya dahil dito kami ay boto kami sa team sa Ateneo since dito naman kami nagtapos then yan talaga suportado namin kami ng mga barkada ko sa Ateneo. Masaya talaga kami nakakapasok Ateneo semis.
Alright, right now what are your wishes and expectations for the Golden Knights this game?
I-continue lang nila yung mga play nila like parang kung ano yung laro nila dati gawin lang nila and yan manalo sila makaabot sa finals.
Thank you very much. Back to you Joshua and Russell.
Kaz, and good luck sa ating Golden Knights and thank you sa in-interview ni Cassandra. Pero ayun partner, going back sa ating ball game, medyo nagkakainitan doon sa ilalim ng paint area kanina. Unsportsmanlike foul para kaya number 2.
Hindi, kay Jerome Almario yun.
Jerome Almario. Okay. And syempre, tinawag natin yung ating courtside reporter from the Golden Knights. Tawagin din natin partner ang ating courtside reporter na si Joyce na may kasama din na fan from the Green Serpents. Tawagin natin siya. Hi Joyce!
Well, that nation is really intense right now because of the score of AMANDO College Green Serpents. Now joining us for a quick conversation is the Dean of Journalism of AMANDO College, Martires. Supporter ka ng Green Serpents?
Yes, opo. Simula noon pa.
And how does it feel po na nasa semis na ang Green Serpents?
Actually, this game is very overwhelming. I'm honored to be in the semis right now.
Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa team at sa coaching staff po ng Green Serpents?
They give their 100% for this game. Pinaghandaan talaga.
Thank you, Ma'am Cathy. Thank you so much po and all the best to the team. Back to the panel.
Yun, maraming salamat Joyce. At yun nga, yung team from the ACC. No, maraming salamat ma'am sa pagsuporta sa iyong team.
Ayun. And siyempre partner, no, yung Dean ng Green Serpents is here para magsuporta sa kanyang team. And yun, proven effective yung support kahit malayo, kahit nakakapagod. Pero hard work pays off kapag maganda yung performance ng parehong kupunan. And Jerome Almario is down sa ating hard court. Medyo nadulas si Jerome and let's see kung ano ang nangyari sa kanya doon. 8 minutes pa lang. 8 minutes na lang natitira sa ating ball game nito.
Ayun, pushing foul. May tatawag kay Acabado doon para kay Jerome. Only have 8 minutes. 10-point lead.
10-point lead, 2-digit lead na ang meron.
Ito na yung biggest, no?
Oho.
Biggest lead ng ating ACC sa ating Golden Knights.
10-point lead. Let's see kung makakahabol ang ating Golden Knights or mame-maintain ng Green Serpents itong kalamangan nila dito sa ating third quarter. Almario with the ball. Guarded by number 24. Passes to big man Bichara. Gets it. Almost loses it. And he does lose it. Turnover para sa side ng Golden Knights. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Number 2 will cross going to the front court. Nagar, pass to number 1.
Medyo delikado ngayon ng Golden Knights dito sa pagpasok ng third quarter. Nagar penetrates. Tatawagan ng traveling violation.
Turnover from the side of the Green Serpents. Ball possession ngayon ating Golden Knights.
Aureliano ngayon.
Heavily guarded by number 23.
Aureliano naghahanap ng mapapasahan.
What a crossover move!
Half step passes to the outside man. Almario fakes. Layup. It's good. Para sa kanya. Second chance effort yun. Para kay Jerome Almario.
Naiwan.
Yes.
What a
Single digit lead na lang ang hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Nagara to number 1.
Number 1. Number 1 drives. Oh good. Rebounded by number 7. Number 7 na.
Magno ngayon. Nagkakaroon ng bola. Aureliano. Half step passes to Madridano. That's good. What a beautiful assist by Aureliano to Madridano for that 2-pointer. Bumababa na ang kalamangan ng ating Green Serpents. 6-point lead. That's gonna be a foul called on Magno. Reach and foul para kaya number 24.
That's their 4th team foul.
Isa na lang, penalty na ang Golden Knights. Number 1. Guarded by number 7.
Long
Fires a three.
three-pointer. It's good. Number 1. At Wincula.
Napaka-unexpected tong 3-pointer na yun ni Advincula.
Nice bounce pass. Love pass to number 28.
Magno.
Aureliano.
To
Corner
Mario.
3-pointer.
No good.
Pero doon si Magno.
Put back again.
Ateneo pa rin ang bola. At yun, nakakuha ng foul doon si Alphonse Bichara.
2 shots ngayon para kay Bichara.
Grabe yung effort mo. Rebounding talaga. Ang lakas ng ating Golden Knights.
Yes, partner. 6 minutes, 2 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. 9-point lead hawak ng Green Serpents. First shot ni Bichara, no good.
And shoutout sa'yo, Gigi Peña na nanonood. Maraming salamat. Second shot is good.
8-point lead ngayon hawak ng ating Green Serpents.
Number 24 now going to the front court, guarded by number 28 of the Golden Knights.
Turnover.
Nice. Bounce pass to Almario. Ayaw lang, inot.
For an unfortunate layup para kay Almario. Nakabado ngayon to number 1 at Vincula. Tingin number 15, passes to Nagar. Nagar going all the way, fakes, passes to number 15. No good sa kanyang layup. Aureliano ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Mario is good there. Mario fires a long 3. No good.
Rebounded by number 24 of the Green Serpents. Now pass to number 1. Number 1, open 3, and it's good for a 3-pointer. At Vincula, that's his second for this quarter.
Back-to-back 3-pointers para kay Advincula. 62-51. Aureliano, beautiful pass by Bichara.
Give and go play.
Ganda ng plays na pinapakita ng parehong kupunan dito sa third quarter na to. 9-point lead na lang kalamangan ng ating Green Serpents, and a foul again called on Magno.
And nasa penalty situation na ang ating Green Serpents.
Yeah. Called again, region foul kay Magno, trying to pick the pocket of number 24, pero nakita ni referee yun. Penalty ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
That's his second, tama ba? Second personal foul. First shot, in and out, no good. Nine-point lead. Second shot is no good. Ball possession ng ating Golden Knights.
Both shots, number 24, di pumasok. Aureliano ngayon to Valle. Valle to Monay. Quick trigger 3. No good. And let's call on our courtside reporter on the side of the Golden Knights to give us a quick update. Hi Kaz, anong update dyan sa side ng ating bench?
Joshua and Russell, many supporters are cheering their hearts out for their chosen team, as it is evident that the Green Serpents are given a tough game to the Golden Knights. With this, the team must be cautious as well as assured with their system and how they will overstep their opponent. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to you, Joshua and Russell.
Yan, maraming salamat Kaz for that update on the side ng ating Golden Knights. Pero ayun partner, no, going into the ball game, 3-pointer coming in from Valle. Pero ayun, revenge 3-point shot by number 24.
Binawi, sinagot agad.
Sumagot agad ang ating Green Serpents.
Himbo na obra.
Oo. 11-point lead ngayon ay 11-point lead hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Aureliano
now. You only have 2 minutes.
Crossover. Half step, passes to the big man. Bichara fakes, spins, loses the ball, fade away. No good, pero may foul. Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
Tatawagan ng number 7, pushing foul. .11-point lead.
3 minutes, 9 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter.
Parang ACC ba yung naging first runner-up last season? Or Annunciation.
Sad to say, tinalo ng ating Green Serpents yung runner-up nung last season.
Oo.
So much unforced errors yung napakita ng ating Panthers noon. And syempre yung kanilang best player, si Matos, hindi nakapaglaro ng game na yun.
12-point lead na. ang ating Green Serpents.
Second shot ni Nagar. That's good. 13-point lead para kay Nagar.
Babalik si Jerome Almario.
Monay goes out. Almario goes in on the side ng ating Golden Knights. Aureliano with the ball. Bola pa rin ang ating Golden Knights.
And yun, tawagin natin ang ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the Green Serpents. Hi Joyce, kamusta? Anong update yan sa ating Green Serpents?
Joshua and Russell, Coach George reiterated that they should really communicate with each other inside the hardcourt. And they should realize that they traveled so far for this. So the team should really do their best inside the hardcourt and rotate the ball, do not send a play to trap the defense of Ateneo. Sabi pa ni Coach George, be composed inside the hardcourt. Don't dwell on your emotions. Play with your heart and teamwork. That's the latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Ayun, maraming salamat Joyce. Kaya nga, narinig natin kay Joyce. They travel, no? 2 to 3 hours. At hindi talaga nila ito sasayangin.
Kitang-kita natin, partner, dito sa third quarter. Nagdo-dominate talaga ang ACC. Pero yun, napakagandang play. Pinakita ni Valle doon.
Oh, yeah.
Plus a foul. And na-complete niya yung 3-point play na yun.
Cutting the lead to 10.
10 na lang.
Both teams are in the penalty situation.
Yes, partner. 2.5 minutes remaining dito sa third quarter na to. 10-point lead, hawak ng Green Serpents. Acabado fires a 3, no good. Pulgar with that rebound, fast break and Aureliano, layup, rejected by Acabado, pero offensive rebound. Fast break ngayon, Nagar, fakes, layup, beautiful fake by Nagar for that 2-pointer. Ateneo struggling dito sa third quarter. 2 minutes remaining. Almario, what a beautiful layup to stop the bleeding dito sa quarter na to.
10-point lead. 1 minute and 40 seconds sa ating third quarter, mga kaibigan.
Nagar. Mid-range jumper. It's good. Nagar enjoying his time sa hard court.
Grabe to si Nagar. Kanina pa to. First quarter pa to.
Tuwang-tuwa si Nagar dito sa kanyang play na ginagawa ng Green Serpents. Aureliano spins. Tapped away. Pasa kay Fulgar. Outside. Man. Valle. No good sa 3-pointer.
Ball possession now of the Green Serpents.
12-point lead. Nagar with the ball. A minute remaining sa ating third quarter.
Ayun. Nice steal. Almario.
Beautiful.
2-pointer from Almario. And we have a timeout called by the Green Serpents. Remaining time, we only have seconds to play. 73 to 63. 10-point lead of the Green Serpents. Wag na wag po ang halos. Live kami dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium. And you're still watching on DNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Man-to-man defense na naman. Now, pag 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. We are back live here at the Ateneo de NAGA University for your Bucal Season 4 semifinal match between the Golden Knights and ACC Green Serpents. Sa kasalukuyan, lamang ng 10 ang ating Green Serpents. 51 seconds remaining sa third quarter.
Ayun, pwede pa makakreate ng ating ang Green Serpents dito to extend their lead.
Yeah.
Or will they, the Golden Knights can stop the
Full court
Green
press na
Serpents.
din ng Ateneo.
Nice
Effective.
defense.
Stolen by Almario. Beautiful Euro step by Jerome. With the steal plus another 2-pointer. Single digit lead. Hawak ngayon ng Green Serpents. Nagar with the ball. Passes to number 24.
Nice feed to number 19. Oh, good.
Bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents.
25 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 8-point lead.
At Bucal mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound by
Number
Beltran.
75. Bali now. Lampas number 75 for 3. Oh, good. Rebounded by number 1.
9 seconds
9
remaining.
seconds to play.
5 seconds.
Nice fakes.
And that's gonna be the end of our third quarter. Ating score 73-65, single digit lead para sa ating Green Serpents sa pagpasok ng fourth quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami. Man-to-man defense na naman. Now, pag 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. We are back live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University and our audience is up on their feet. Buhay na buhay dito sa Ateneo for the fourth and final quarter matchup between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents.
Ito na, Burns, dito na magkakaalaman kung sino ang aabante sa ating championship game.
Yun. Bola ngayon ang ating Golden Knights. Valle with the ball, guarded by Acabado. Valle passes
Nice
to
speed to number 3, no good. Pero gawa ng bola. Ball possession ng
Nagato
ating
Acabado. Mid-range
Acabado.
jumper.
Mid-range jumper, and it's good.
Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Green Serpents dito sa opening ng fourth quarter. Valle to Almario. Crossover, mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound, Almario, and foul.
Nakakuha, nakasabit pa ng foul.
Yun. Foul on number 1. 2 shots ngayon para kay Jerome to cut the lead to only single digits again dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Ayun, shoutout sa'yo, Kuya Ricky. Sa aking
First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Almario. That's good. Cuts the lead to single digits.
9-point lead para sa ating Green Serpents.
Pulgar guarding number 1.
Number 1. Miscommunication. Number 3 now. Oh, good.
Layup ni Pulgar. That's good. No good para sa Ateneo.
And coming from entering the fourth quarter, ano kaya maging adjustment ng ating Green Serpents? Alamin natin yan. Kasama natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the Green Serpents. Hi Joyce, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Joshua and Russell during the huddle, Coach George said to the team that they should always be composed inside the hard court and understand that every possession counts. Break the trap of Ateneo and do a diagonal strategy for offense. Sabi pa ni Coach, huwag makampante at tapatan pa rin ang depensa ng Ateneo Golden Knights and the guards should always be alert to continue to protect the paint. That's the latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Ayun, maraming salamat Joyce sa iyong update all the way from the bench of the Green Serpents. You know, 13-point lead again ang ating Green Serpents.
8 minutes, 25 seconds dito sa fourth and final quarter. Partner, still holding the lead and still dominating ang ating Green Serpents. Man-to-man defense, pinapakita ng Green Serpents ngayon. Aureliano with the ball. Let's see kung anong play na ngayon ipapakita ng Golden Knights. Aureliano. Ngayon nakabali ang bola. Valle loses the ball.
Mon Aureliano.
And may foul na nakita ang ating referee.
That's gonna be from number 15.
Inbound ngayon, Ateneo. 14 seconds to shoot para sa Golden Knights.
Substitution, papasok si number 5 ng ating Green Serpents. That's
number 26, Valle completes that inbound. Almario with the ball.
Almario.
Half step. Floater. No good. Offensive rebound, Beltran. That's no good. Number 99. Layup blocked by Aureliano.
Pass to number 3. Back to number 55. Calling, asking for a screen. Number 55 now. Attacking the basket. Nice inside pass by Mon Aureliano.
Napakaganda ng assist na pinakita ni Aureliano doon sa 2-pointer ni Beltran. Wala. No good para sa side ng Green Serpents. 11-point lead hawak ng ating Serpents. Aureliano, 3-pointer, no good. And gumapang pa yung bola sa backboard Pero that's gonna be a turnover. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Double-digit game para sa ating Green Serpents.
Lalabas si Beltran, papasok si Madridano.
Acabado, pass to number 1 at Vincula now.
Pulgar guarding Advincula. Penetrates.
Steal by Almario.
Mario. Natapik ni Advincula. That's still gonna be Ateneo ball. Double digit lead pa rin hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Aureliano passes to Madridano. Quick floater does not go in, pero may foul, a chance. 2 shots para kay Madridano dito.
Number 7 now on the line. Sayang nun. Shooting his 2 free throws.
First shot is good.
10-point lead again ang Green Serpents. Hindi nagbabago ang ating for the last minutes ng ating fourth quarter. No,
Yes,
balik-balik lang. 10, 11, 13. 9 pala. 9-point lead.
Na-maintain ng Green Serpents ang kanilang 10-point lead. Pero ayan, 9 points na lang natitira.
Number 13 now of ACC will enter the floor.
ACC ngayon with the ball. Number 13 guarded by Almario. Tumumba si Jerome.
Nice.
Acabado. Corner 3.
All good.
Bola pa rin ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Same ball. Green Serpents ball.
6 minutes and 43 seconds.
Single digit lead na lang hawak
Mm.
ng ating Green Serpents.
9-point lead.
Number 1 Advincula with the ball guarded by number 18. Fires a 3. That's gonna be an air ball onto the hands of Magno. Ngayon bola hawak ni Jerome. That's gonna be a foul called on Advincula. Penalty.
Penalty ng ating Golden Knights.
No team
Napaaga.
fouls ang ating Golden Knights dito pero penalty na ang ACC. This is an unfortunate event para sa ACC. Every time na makaka-foul sila, going to the free throw line ng mga Golden Knights.
Ayun, medyo na-foul trouble ng maaga ang ating
They need to be
Green
careful here. Ang ating Green Serpents. Almario gets that first shot para sa kanyang team. Slowly but surely, bumababa na ang kalamangan ng ating Green Serpents.
8-point lead.
Ateneo fans raising their hands in support for Almario. That's gonna be 2 shots completed by Jerome.
Number 0 now of the Green Serpents will enter the court. Galvez.
Galvez
That's
will
Advincula.
replace Advincula.
Ang live audience natin dito. Cheering for the Golden Knights. Number 13.
Almario.
By Almario.
Pinapahirapan makatawid si number 13 sa half court. Number 99.
Drives. Pero may nakita ang ating referee dito.
That's gonna be a foul called on numbers.
Substitution. Babalik na sa playing court. Sinagar.
Yan, 1 team foul pa lang ang Ateneo. Penalty situation ang ating Green Serpents. Bola nila. Acabado will inbound the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And Acabado passes to number 0.
Number 0, mid-range jumper. No good, pero andun si Acabado.
Put back 2-pointer para kay Acabado. 9-point lead para sa Green Serpents.
Almario fires for 3. No good. Pero doon si number 7.
Offensive
At
rebound.
nakakuha pa ng foul.
Warning for technical si number 0 for faking a foul. That's unfortunate para kay number 0. And si number 15 na foul. 2 shots ngayon para kay Madridano.
Nine-point lead. First shot is good. Cutting the lead to 8.
Second shot para kay Madridano.
Only have 5 minutes and 52 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter, mga kaibigan. At Burns 2K 2,000 viewers na tayo dito sa ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok.
Yun, Nagar ngayon with the ball in his hands. Nagmamadali, heavily guarded by Almario. Acabado ngayon, guarded by Aureliano. Switch D, Madridano. Acabado fires the 3. No good. Pero may foul. Bola ng ating Green Serpents. Foul called on Aureliano. Fourth personal foul. Sa nalang partner, he will be excluded from the game.
Kailangan mag-ingat ngayon ni Mon.
Number 15, back to Acabado. Fires the 3. It's good para kay Acabado. 11-point lead for the Green Serpents.
Pass to Magno.
Magno to Aureliano. To Almario
now.
And a foul called on number 99. Two shots ulit para kay Jerome.
Almario on the line. It's good. 10-point lead again. Second shot para kay Almario. Second shot. Oh, good.
No good para sa kanyang second shot. And let's get an update on the side of our Golden Knights bench. Tawagin natin partner si Kaz. Hi Kaz, ano ang update dyan sa Golden Knights?
Hi Joshua and Russell. During the timeout, Coach Nuki emphasized that the players must be relaxed but also alert while on the hard court. They have to trust their power to contribute to the team. The players are highly encouraged to play according to the roles. The players are ordered to establish a tight defense. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to you, Joshua and Russell.
Ayan. Thank you Kaz from the side of our Golden Knights. And yun partner, Ateneo needs to relax and focus on this ball game. Huwag masyadong magpadali. And ayun, single digit lead ulit.
Nice bounce pass
Ateneo.
para kay Acabado nun.
Pero ayan, dominating ulit Acabado. 10-point lead. 4.5 minutes remaining dito sa ball game. Valle ngayon may hawak ng bola para sa Golden Knights. Almost losing the ball. Almario ngayon may dala ng bola. Passes to Mon. Half step, Mon, layup, no good. Offensive rebound, still no good.
Too strong. Number 55, pushing foul.
On the ground ngayon si Aureliano. And a timeout was called by the Golden Knights. Ang ating score 76-86, lamang ng 10 ang ating ACC Green Serpents. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Man-to-man defense na naman. Ang 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the block. Back live here at the Ateneo Gymnasium for the fourth and final quarter. 4 minutes remaining sa ating ballgame. 10 ang kalamangan ng Green Serpents.
Ayun na. Ano kaya maging adjustment ng ating Golden Knights?
Yan. Pero partner, no? Hype na hype pa rin ang Golden Knight Cavalry dito sa ating gymnasium. Still, not losing hope para sa Golden Knights. 10-point lead, 10 points, 4 minutes, kaya pa to make a comeback. Ngayon, back sa ating ballgame. Nagar going all the way, extra pass. Number 0 with that 2-pointer. Valle with the ball, passes to Magno. 3-on-1 fast break, Madridano layup, it's good. 2-pointer, back to 10-point lead ang ating Green Serpents. Nagar,
guarded, heavily guarded by Almario.
And there, he stepped on the line. That's gonna be a turnover by Nagar. Bola ngayon ng Golden Knights. Nice defense by Jerome Almario. And a little discussion sa table officials dito kay referee.
Ayun, tinawalan ng warning for technical. Si number 0.
Okay.
Green Serpents.
Magno with the ball para sa Golden Knights.
10-point lead. Almario now.
Humingi ng screen. Heavily guarded by a Serpent at Vincula guarding Almario. Almario spins. Floater. It's good. What a beautiful 2-pointer by Almario. Even though he's heavily guarded by 2 Serpents. Pero akabado ngayon. Passes to Vincula. Back to
Akabado now. Nagar. Guarded by Magno. Nagar drives. Serandot.
What a block by Madridano.
Good rebound head by number 7.
Valle ngayon. To Almario, Jerome with the ball, guarded by Nagar. Almario lost the ball, that's gonna be turned over. Nagar. Acabado, fires the three.
Fires a 3, no good. Ano si Valle. Ball possession ng ating Golden Knights.
2 minutes, 21 seconds remaining sa ball game. 8-point lead, hawak ng ating Green Serpents.
And we have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 2 minutes and 21 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter. 88-80. 8-point lead para sa ating Green Serpents. Huwag na huwag po kayong halos, tutok lang. At live kami dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And you're so watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Man-to-man defense na naman. On one fast break layup. It's good. We are back live here sa Ateneo University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 semifinal match. ATENEO versus ACC. 8-point lead hawak ng ating Green Serpents. Bola ngayon ng ating Golden Knights. Valle with the ball right now.
Number 19 Almario now will make a move. Number 19. At tatawagin ng foul doon si Acabado.
Two shots for Almario.
Ayun na nga. They are on the penalty situation. Trying to cut the lead to 6. First shot is good. Second shot for Almario.
It's good para kay Jerome.
6-point lead.
2-possession ball game na lang ang lead ng ating Green Serpents. Last 2 minutes.
Number 0. Feed to number 15. Pass to number 23, Acabado.
Reverse layup, put back by number 0. And here to give us an update on the side ng ating Golden Knights bench, tawagin natin si Kaz. Hi, Kaz!
Joshua and Russell, during the timeout, Coach Nuki reminds the players to have presence of mind and make sure to contribute to the group. They have to play in accordance to their roles. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to you, Russell and Joshua.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Kas. Sa quick update all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights.
Ayan, pero partner, no? Medyo nagkakainitan na dito sa ating hard court. And tumawag na ng technical foul ang ating referee.
Ayun, Sir Eman is there to calm the situation.
Medyo umiinit, partner, yung ulo ng isang sa mga coaching staffs ng ating Green Serpents. Almario will shoot the free throws dito. A minute and a half remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
8-point lead.
8-point lead.
Ating Green Serpents. At ayun na, ang supporters ng Golden Knights, kataas ang kamay. First shot is good.
7 points para sa Golden Knights.
At ayun, isang bonus shot para dun sa technical foul.
2 shots ulit
two
para
shot,
kay Madridano.
yung sa foul kanina, no? First shot is good. Madridano.
Chance to cut the lead of the Green Serpents to 5 with this last free throw by Madridano. He gets it.
Good.
5-point lead. Full court, man-to-man defense by the Golden Knights. Nagar heavily guarded by Magno.
Pass to number 1. Acabado now.
Asks for the ball. He gets it. Guarded by Valle ngayon. Acabado crossing over Valle. Steps back. Thought about the 3. At
Number 1 for 3. And it's good!
What a dagger 3 by number 1 at Vincola of the Green Serpents. Almario passes to Valle. Chance to take a rebound.
Another 3. At ayun, tatawagan ng foul doon si Almario. Sagutan ng 3, mga kaibigan. 5-point lead.
Timeout ngayon para sa Green Serpents. 93-88. Kalamangan pa rin hawak ng ating Green Serpents partner. 54 seconds remaining in this fourth and final quarter. Ateneo in the red zone dito ngayon. And the partner, napaka-intense ng larong ito.
5-point lead.
And audience, partner, hyped up dito sa ating gymnasium. Kinakabahan ng fans ng ating Golden Knights. And sitting pretty ang ating Green Serpents. Pero there's still time left.
Yes. All they have to do is to maintain the lead, secure the ball, and execute the play para sa ating Green Serpents. Ngayon, kailangan mag-double time ng ating Golden Knights. Given they only have seconds to play.
Yeah. I think ang strategy dito, partner, ng ating Green Serpents is they're going to kill time.
Yeah.
Yun na ang strategy na gagawin nila. Kill time. There's not much time left dito sa ating ball game. Pero there's still a little percentage of a chance na makahabol ang ating Golden Knights dito. Pero in the red zone na talaga sila, partner.
Nakasalalay dito sa ating mga players ang magiging resulta ng labang ito.
Acabado to inbound the ball.
Number 1 now, back to Acabado.
50 seconds remaining sa ball game. Acabado. Step back 3.
Oh, good.
No good sa attempt. Offensive rebound. Acabado with the ball again. 40 seconds remaining.
Enough 10 seconds to shoot. Acabado.
Acabado loses the ball. 34 seconds remaining. Bola pa rin ng Green Serpents.
Ayun, parang i-review na ating referee. Yung nangyari kanina, sino ba nakatapik ng bola? 34 seconds remaining.
Review na naman ang ating referees. Kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari doon sa sequence na yon, kung sino pa talaga ang huling nakapaghawak ng bola. And 5-point lead, partner. Hawak ng ating Green Serpents.
Yes.
And 34.7 seconds remaining dito sa ball game na to. 2-possession ball game pa rin. Hawak ng ating Green Serpents, plus I think if last touch ng ATENEO, it's still their ball possession. And they're going to kill time dito.
Sigurado yan yung gagawin ng ating Green Serpents dito. Pero may 5 seconds na lang yung shot clock natin, no?
Yes, partner.
Para sa ating Green Serpents.
You think about it, partner, what a change of events dito. First quarter, 8-0 run, 8-0 na hold ng ating Golden Knights, ang ating Green Serpents. Pero pagpatak ng second quarter, uminit yung laro nila, and then third quarter, dominating na sila until
The
fourth quarter.
Simula second quarter, no? First ending of the first. Lamang na ang ating Green Serpents dito.
And ayan, rini-review pa rin ng ating mga referees ang nangyari kanina. Very crucial replay asked by the Golden Knights kung ano ang verdict nila.
Ito na, balik na ang ating mga officials. Ano kaya? Yan, ball possession pa rin, mga kaibigan, sa ating Green Serpents. Nagar has the ball. Acabado for 3. No good.
Offensive rebound. Nagar.
Alfred. Bola ng Golden Knights ngayon. Pero nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 pass to 0.
They're gonna kill time here.
And they're gonna kill the time.
Make a play. Foul. 17 seconds remaining. 2 shots para kay Acabado.
Grabing hustle nun para sa ating Green Serpents. Just to secure the basket and secure the ball. At bola pa nila. Acabado now is on the line. A chance to extend their lead.
If Acabado makes 2 of these free throws, I think that's gonna be it para sa ball game na to for the Green Serpents. First shot is good para kay Acabado. Former ATENEO Golden Knight. Second shot for Acabado. No good. Almario needs to go fast here. Needs to make a play. Layup Almario. 4-point game.
Number 1.
8 seconds remaining. Foul by Aguilar. 2 shots ngayon para kay Advincula.
4-point lead. Mukhang naubos na ang timeout. Naubos na ba ang timeout naman?
ATENEO, for the regular season, wala silang talo, partner.
Yes.
This is gonna be an unfortunate event kung sila ay matatalo dito ng ating Green Serpents. First shot
No
ni
good.
Advincula was no good. Second shot. No
Wala
good.
pa rin. Rebound by number 18.
Almario ngayon.
now.
Bitawan ng bola.
Acabado.
And that's
Will just
gonna
steal the
be
time. It's
Almario
Serpents.
College. Green Serpents will go to the championship, upsetting the #1 seed from their bracket, Golden Knights.
What a game.
Final
What a
score,
great
partner, 94-90. What a good game by the Green Serpents to go to the championship and will face whoever wins tomorrow's matchup, NCF Tigers versus the Shepherdville Rams.
Ayun. Napakagandang laro ang pinakita sa atin
Yes,
na
partner.
dalawang koponan. Ayun.
And the partner, no?
Nakita natin.
It was not an easy season para sa ating ACC Green Serpents. They had their wins and losses.
And parang ang talo lang nila is from the NCF Tigers.
Dalawa ang talo.
Dalawa yung talo ng Green Serpents.
Because the regular season, tinalo din sila ng ating Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. Pero ayan, with the hymn of our Golden Knights, napaka-unfortunate. Pero syempre yung fans showing support para sa
ayun,
Golden
mamaya
Knights.
po mga kaibigan, magbabalik po kami para makilala natin ang ating best player of the game from the ACC Green Serpents. Diyan lang po kayo, magbabalik kami. This is your Bucal Season 4 live here at Ateneo Gymnasium, all here on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Man-to-man defense na naman. Now, 4-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the block. All the
And we're live here at Ateneo Gymnasium at ayun na nga, congratulations sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Kaya congratulations pa rin sa ating Golden Knights sa napakagandang laro na hinatid sa ating ngayong hapong ito. At ito na, kasama na ng ating courtside reporter ang ating best player of the game. Ang ating best player of the game hatid sa inyo ng NCF Wings because Tigers can have wings. To those who want to become a flight attendant, you may enroll at NCF. Hi Joyce, ipakilala mo na ang ating best player of the game.
Russell and Joshua, the ACC Green Serpents, indeed dominated the hardcourt consistently for this game of semifinals against Ateneo Golden Knights. Oh, with me is the best player of the game from AMANDO College, jersey number 2, John Nico, with 21 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, and 1 blocks. John Nico, how does it feel na ikaw ang best player for your game in this semifinals?
Medyo masaya po na malungkot kasi naaalala ko po yung si Daddy, birthday niya po ngayon pero patay na po siya, nasa langit na po. Kaya yung laro kong to para kay Daddy po talaga. Kaya pasensya na ako sa Ateneo kung medyo na-intense yung laro ko kanina, medyo nagtatanta ko pero nadala lang ako ng emosyon ko kasi para talaga to sa kay Daddy kasi birthday niya po ngayon pero nasa langit na.
Okay, so can you share with us kung ano ba ang pre-game rituals mo personally?
Ano lang po, nakikipagkwentuhan lang po kay coach kung ano po yung gagawin, kung yung mga mali ko po para pagdating sa laro, maitama ko po. Kahit sa laro madami ng mali, galit na si coach pero pasensya na coach. Yun lang.
So John, may gusto ka bang batiin, pasalamatan? The floor is yours.
Pasalamat po sa ACC community tapos kay Coach Alter po na last time galit na galit sa amin kasi medyo yung chemistry namin nagkakawatak-watak kasi medyo may matigas na ulo. Di nawawala kasi mga matanda na din pero ngayon naayos na naman, sabi babawi kami sa laro kaya sana po masaya si coach ngayon. Kasi kayong NCC community. Kila mami din po sa Pulangi.
Congratulations, Janica, and to all Green Serpents. Ayan, I am Joyce, the courtside correspondent of ACC Green Serpents, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Joyce and congratulations kay Nagar, number 2 ng ACC Green Serpents. And syempre partner, sila ang pinakaunang makakapasok sa ating championship match. ACC, John Nico Nagar, isa sa 3 players partner na inaabangan talaga natin since the beginning ng ball game na ito. 21 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, and 1 block. Napaka-efficient ng laro ni Nagar kanina. Syempre, dedication niya para sa kanyang ama na nasa langit na.
Tuwang-tuwa ang father ni John Nico above, no? So, napaka-consistent rin ito ni Nagar, no? Both offense and defense. So, congratulations sa ating Green Serpents. Naghihintay na lang sila. And bukas po mga kaibigan, ang matchup natin is between the NCF Tigers versus the Shepherdville Rams.
Isang magandang laban din yan bukas partner, no?
3 o'clock din tayo dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium.
Pero that's all of the time that we have for this day. Matchup between the Ateneo Golden Knights, winner ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero mga kaibigan, huwag kayong aalis. Bukas may laro pa kami. And syempre, kami pa rin ang makakasama nyo, GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Paalam po.